Hi class, welcome to Vegan 101, taught by Dherbs.com. Please remember to hit the subscribe button for notifications on all future content. When people get their annual checkups and their doctors say to them that they are low on certain vitamins or minerals, people often turn to supplements to make up for their deficiencies. Little do people know is that they lack the sufficient vitamins and minerals that keep the body functioning like a well-oiled machine. Today we'll discuss common mistakes you should avoid in regards to supplements. People don't do the research. People are easily influenced nowadays and start taking a certain vitamin or mineral because an influencer takes it on social media. Social media has both pros and cons, but in this case, social media has become almost a substitute for going to the doctor. People need to start discussing supplements with their doctor to avoid negative interactions, especially if they take medication. Negative interactions can decrease the effectiveness of medications, which can be harmful to your body. People pop multivitamins and eat poorly. Multivitamins don't cancel out poor dietary decisions. Sorry, folks. That's just not the way the world works. You cannot eat vitamins in place of real food that's packed with nutrients. You still need to eat a variety of nutrient-dense foods, including fruits, vegetables, whole grains, nuts and seeds, and legumes. Doses are too high. You don't want the highest dosage when it comes to supplements. Again, this will come down to a discussion between you and your doctor. It's all about supplementing to meet your nutritional needs. The focus is only on probiotics. Probiotics do not cure everything, nor can they. They are, though, beneficial, much like taking a multivitamin. You are not exempt from eating healthy. Diversity is the key when it comes to the gut. So if you do take probiotics, you also have to consume or take prebiotics. Not taking fat-soluble vitamins with fat. Fat-soluble vitamins include vitamins A, D, E, and K. Failure to take these fat-soluble vitamins with a source of fat can affect the body's absorption of the nutrients. Fat-soluble means it dissolves in fat, which is why taking vitamins A, D, E, or K on an empty stomach negatively impacts absorption. That's all for today, students. Tune in next week for another lesson of Vegan 101, powered by Dherbs.com.